Hi guys, welcome back. So the other day I was going through my makeup. I was like kind of organizing, or at least I tried to organize my makeup again, and I actually came across a mascara that I have from the Body Shop in blue, and I thought to do a makeup using a blue mascara. I think I have done on this channel actually only one video using a blue mascara, and I mean, it is a color, it is mascara that you can actually do a lot of things with it. And if you're following me for a longer time here on YouTube, then you know that I love using mostly, or let's just say most of the time, a brown mascara instead of a black one. So yeah, I thought, okay, I'll just do a makeup tutorial using a blue mascara. So if you guys want to see the look that I will be creating, then keep on watching. Okay, so firstly I will use a little bit of eye cream just to hydrate my eyes and my eyelids, mostly actually my eyelids. Now on the eyelids I will use an eye primer, and I'm going with e.l.f. Cosmetics. And now for my actual eyeshadow, I will take this eyeshadow palette. This is from, I don't know, Vibo and Stisio, I think. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. And I will take this orange juice, beautiful orange color. It will go like a dream within blue mascara. Now I will grab a flat eyeshadow brush, and this is the Zoeva 234. I will go back with this orange shadow, and I'm gonna press it really into my eyelid and go like here into the corners of my eye, to the inner corner, and then here close to my lashes. And I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the first time that I'm using this palette, and I mean, I'm not really impressed with the pigment of the colors. Actually, I mean, at least this orange shade, but in my surprise there's no fallout. There's like nothing under here. This is actually also the reason that I wanted to do my eyes first. It's actually a pretty orange color. And with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, again blending here the edges. But I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush, and I will go with this shade Unseen. Gonna take just a little bit of that, and I'm gonna go right here to my eyebrow and mix it with the orange one. Okay, so now I will move and you know, just do my face, and I will use a primer, this one by Milk. And I'm gonna go again and use a little bit of eye cream. Yes, again, because I really need that hydration before I apply my concealer. Today I'm gonna go with foundation from Tarte Foundsealer, and I'm in the shade 16N. Just love this foundation, like literally. So I'm gonna do a few pumps here on the back of my hand, probably something like this, and I'm gonna go with the foundation brush, and this is actually from Tarte, and I'll go right here under my forehead, on my cheeks, you know, just spread it all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out. This foundation has a medium to slight full coverage. It's very buildable for every you know, skin type, and if you're someone that it has more of a combination skin type, but you know, mostly kind of the, you know, on the oily side, then you will love this one. It has a creamy formula, blends super easy. You can use even your hands to blend it if you don't have a sponge, you know, like a beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever, or a brush. It blends super easy, very easy to work with. Actually, like every Tarte product, if I have to be honest, I think they have like the best products out there at this moment, and they're not like super expensive, so I think they're super affordable for everyone that wants to have somehow of a good quality makeup. They also have like the best eyeshadow palettes, literally. If you don't know about Tarte, then I suggest you look them up. They have like a very good quality. Okay, now for concealer I will go as well with Chrysalis from Tarte, and I am in the shade 13N. And now I'll just go just like that with my beauty sponge all over my face, just to press the concealer and the foundation really, you know, into my skin, and it makes everything look super flawless. Now I will use a little bit of bronzer, and I'm taking City Bronzer by Maybelline. I'm not going to contour or do anything crazy, so I'll go right here onto my forehead, to the highest points of my cheeks, and I'm bringing everything upwards here towards my temples. And now with what is left on my brush, just coming here under my jawline, giving it a little bit of definition, bringing down on my neck, give some color. Now on my T-zone I will use some pressed powder over here to my forehead, bringing it down on my nose, This is also a spot on my face that I tend to get oily. And here around the nose, on my cheeks, above my mouth as well, and on my chin. This is also a problem, especially in the summer. Okay, so now for blush, and I know you are probably very surprised. I will go with Dream Blush from Maybelline in Mauve Intrigue. Yes, of course. And I am taking this blush brush from Zoeva. This is in the number 126. I'm gonna take some of the blush and go again right here into the highest points of my cheeks, and I'm doing actually like the same that I did with my bronzer. I'm just bringing it up here into my temples, and then with some circular motions I'm just blending it. And I'm trying to give like this airbrush finish to make it look super natural. Now again, with what is left on my brush, I'm just going slightly over my forehead and here on my, like directly on my cheeks, just to give a rosy, beautiful color. Then here on my nose. Okay, and now I will also do my eyebrows, and I am taking the Brow Precise from Maybelline, and this is in soft brown, and I like it because it has two ends, the spoolie and the pencil, and it's super easy to use. Now, as you can see, I'm not doing anything crazy to my brows. I'm just, you know, kind of giving a little bit of shape and filling any gaps that I have. And I'm brushing through again. Now I will move back to the eyes, and I will combine this orange color and the brown color that I used close to my eyebrow, and I'm gonna mix these two together. And I'm using a pencil brush, and I will go here to my lower lashes. And now the fun part, the mascara. So as I said, this is from the Body Shop in blue, and I will apply it on my upper and lower lashes as well. And now for the lips, I will be using two products. I will line my lips with this lip liner from Steve Laurent, and for a lipstick I'm using ink crayon from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Stay Exceptional, number 25. and this is the final result. So this might be like my favorite makeup look of all times. I just love how it came out. I mean, this orange color with the lip color and the blue mascara, I think it's to die for. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below. But I don't know, but I'm literally obsessed with it. It looks so fresh, so beautiful. I just love it. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you like it, and also what kind of other makeup looks would you like me to do. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!